Hello, my name is Catalina and today I'm going to show you my newspaper. This one was an obituary, a legend and tradition from my family and a delicious recipe. Let's continue. Okay, in this obituary I will talk about Miguel Lopez. He passed away on November 26, 2012. His parents were Gladys Moreno and Rene Lopez. His partner was Paola Vélez, and he had three children, Miller, Lina, and Catalina. He was recognized for his uh, kindness and his good front of bank. Now I will talk about the legend of La Llorona. This is this is well known in many Latin American countries, and its history is based on a young and beautiful mother of two children that one day she lost control and she suffocates the children in a river. She was left with so much remorse. Uh, what is said that her spirit haunts the bank of the rivers, lamenting and searching for her children. Okay, in my family's tradition, every end of the year, each member of the family asks for 12 wish with 12 grapes just at midnight, mm, midnight that the new year brings. Finally, I choose the passion fruit dessert as a recipe since this is very traditional in my family and we consume in on special days and yeah.